Hi, so we're going to take a look today at how we process a quote with multiple product groups. So we start a new quote and you see that on the material list to select we've got Prestige Lift and Slide, Residence Collection, Sheerline Bifold and Sheerline Aluminium. So we're going to start with the Residence Collection and we're going to do a mix of windows alongside some aluminium products, which is quite a common scenario. So we click first of all the Residence Collection. Okay, we're going to skip this bit and we're going to pick a new frame. So new frame, pick from the library on this side. So we'll just pick a simple style for this example, and we're going to put some sizes in here. So don't forget, use your tab button to switch down the groups. Pick our group, so I'm going to pick a foiled mech window, grey and white. In fact, we're going to do eclectic grey on this one, which is quite a common colour where we have to combine Residence Collection, smooth eclectic grey, very contemporary looking window, which then works well with an aluminium anthracite grey, particularly in Sheerline where it's a square bead and we can process a square bead on the Residence Collection window. So we do that down here, we come to the bead group and we pick our square bead. So if we go back to wall view now, so because this quote has been created or started with the Residence Collection, if you just go to add new frame now, it will pick up the Residence Collection library. So we want to add a new frame, but we're going to do a Sheerline aluminium door. So we drop down to the material list override here and we reselect the group we want. So we're going to go S-Line V2, which is Sheerline's Prestige, classic windows, Prestige doors, combination doors. If we were doing a bifold, we'd drop on there. So we're going to click on that, and that now has refreshed the library. I want to have a look at Residors. So we click on the Residor button, and that's then brought up the styles available to us. So we're going to do a combination Sheerline door. So pick the correct icon, tab on and put some sizes in. So let's go 1500, 2100, a common size for a combination door. So this one's going to be an opening door. We're going to colour match to the residence windows. So it's going to be 7016 anthracite grey. So it's already defaulted with a large outer frame, which is what we need to use on a door. And we're going to pick a low threshold on this one. So the most common one we do is that middle one there. The top one above that's got a leg on it, that's not suitable. So that's used when there's no sill. When there's a sill, we use SP701. Can be used without a sill as well. Defaulted with a 150 sill. We're okay with that. We'll leave that in there. Just going to change the mullion brake. So the mullion brake is that distance there. Mullion brake 2 works from right to left. So mullion brake 2, I'm going to do a 950 wide door. And it's already defaulted with the clip-in bead. So in a scenario where it's an open indoor, that's always going to be a clip-in bead because it's all internally glazed. So with that open indoor, the fixed light and the door sash internally glazed with a clip-on bead, no wedge gaskets. So the beauty of that door there is that's made as one unit. There's no coupler. The aluminium threshold runs all the way underneath that door. It's a really neat finish. Uses the ingenious lock mech with a dedicated keep. So let's go back to wall view. And so we've got a Residence Collection window. We've got a Sheerline Prestige opening door, both the same colour, both square bead, both take a 28mm double glazed unit. And now let's say that the house needs a bifold. So a new frame, go to the override, pick a bifold, and again it throws up the available designs. Let's zoom in so I can see that a little bit clearer. So we're going to pick a traffic door on the right, so TD for traffic door. So that door, externally viewed, operates from right to left. So pick that bifold, tab across, let's put a typical bifold size in there. So on your group there, we've got standard without a sill, or we've got the ones that include integral sill, which is really common and a nice detail. So let's pick our anthracite grey colours. Let's have a look at our handle colours. We're going to put a chrome handle on there. The handle options on the bifolds or prestige doors and residence collection doors have all got the same options: monkey tail, pear drop options, and standard lever options as well. And then on the chute bolt handle, it automatically picks an unlocking handle. You don't need, the only time you would have a locking chute bolt handle would be where you don't have a traffic door. And in this case, it says internal finish match. So anthracite grey, white, black. We match the chute bolt handle to the bifold. We think the colour of the handle selection is more relative, or relates more, sorry, to the traffic door handle. So that one would be an anthracite grey handle. So there you go. That's it. So that's a simple way when the project you're working on covers all the different product groups and saves you creating different quotes. It's all done in one.